Somewhere in this video, I'm going to reveal the one mistake that cost me months of profits in just a few hours. If you miss it, you'll probably make it yourself.
In trading, it's never the market that kills you, it's what's inside you. Jesse Livermore. I've spent the last 10 years riding the ruthless waves of the financial markets, from euphoric highs to gut-wrenching crashes. The market has been my harshest teacher, and the most brutal lesson it taught me wasn't about strategies or chart patterns. It was about an invisible force, a silent killer, that shapes the fate of every trader. Greed. What is greed? Greed is more than wanting bigger profits. It's a predator in your own mind. Patient, silent, deadly. From a neuroscience perspective, greed is an excessive craving for immediate, amplified rewards. It hijacks your brain's decision-making system. Here's what happens. When you land a winning trade, your brain releases dopamine, the rush of pleasure, the thrill. It's the same chemical gamblers feel when they hit the jackpot. And it whispers, do it again, and again, and again. But here's a danger.
This reward loop bypasses logic, replaces it with impulsive, high-risk behavior. Add in cognitive biases, especially confirmation bias, and you start ignoring warning signs, only seeing what you want to see. How greed destroys traders. 1. Risk management breaks down. You move or remove stop losses, hoping the market turns. 2. You over-leverage, convinced you can't lose. 3. You overtrade, chasing setups without real analysis. 4. You ignore market signals that challenge your bias. 5. You believe you're invincible, a dangerous illusion. The market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Greed makes you impatient, and impatience is fatal. A painful lesson. Years ago, I had a winning streak. Trade after trade, profit after profit. Confidence became arrogance. It was just another trading day, or at least that's what I thought. I had a solid plan, the market looked good, and everything was going my way. But then, one decision changed everything. I opened my biggest position ever, ignored my stop loss, and told myself the market will keep going my way. It didn't. In hours, months of profits were gone. That day, I learned two truths. Greed is not just an emotion. It's a strategic enemy, and mastering your mind is as important as mastering your charts. Even Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders in history, lost fortunes to greed. He said, "It was never my thinking that made the big money. It was my sitting tight and resisting the temptation to overtrade." Your challenge today: look back at your trades, find where greed took over, write those moments down, create a plan to prevent them. Remember, the market doesn't care about your hopes or dreams. It rewards discipline. Master your mind, and you master the game. If you're serious about becoming a professional trader, this channel is your home. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share your battles with greed in the comments. Together, we won't just survive the markets, we'll thrive in them.